going on? Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Apex Vision TV. Wanted to do an update, mock-up. I actually got I got my turbo bolts kind of figured out, so I'm gonna mount that in 100%, and I'm going to make sure everything on the hot side lines up. If it does, I will go get the cold side and start mapping that stuff out, and then we can go from there. If everything's good, I'll take everything out, get my NA stuff on there for the time being, replace the radiator, replace the brake booster, and then drive it around for a little bit, and we're going right, taking that stuff back off, and we're going right back into throw this turbo on, man. So currently this is where we're at. I actually got these off of Amazon. I'll take them off and show you what I got instead. Honestly, right away I wish I had went and just picked some up from Full Race. They have a website. They're actually located in Arizona though. I could have went up there, but I got these off of Amazon, and then I got these ones in my back pocket. I got them off of PLM. I got 4 of them, but yeah, so I'm gonna take this turbo off, take it inside, clock it, and bring it back out here, try to mount it all the way. You can see I got my downpipe lined in. Still need to get a dump tube. It's bright out, but you can kind of see the downpipe lining up to the exhaust, Tanabe exhaust. So yeah, I'm pretty excited, man. Stay tuned. You back out of here in a little bit. I went with I don't know why I got these, honestly. They're copper. They're bait. I got them off of Amazon. The copper doesn't even make sense for the coloring of the engine bay. I'm gonna heat wrap this stuff all the way through, but see, I got these right here. They're a little bit longer, but again, I just wish I ordered it off of Full Race. I'll do a full side-by-side in a little bit when I get in the house to clock it, but let's look like this is a little longer, so I'll have a little more room. I'm gonna try to get a shot down here. I know you use Loctite on those to get it to bolt in better, but still gotta get reflective tape, gotta heat wrap the exhaust, but whole lot more progress than a year ago. A year ago, I was borrowing my mom's car. I wasn't even, this was just kind of sitting. But yeah, so just take this stuff in the house, get this turbo fully clocked. Got it right here, well, the hot side at least, the turbine. I'm ready to sweep out the garage, man. Clean this car up. Get this turbo on and go from here. Direct comparison. This one screws in a whole lot better, and you can see right there that there's more room. So I mean, I don't know which way it's supposed to go in yet, I'll be honest, but it's a start, like I said. So let's go from here. All right, so here's a video of the Amazon ones I bought. There's some weird brand name, I'll show you in a second. And the PLM ones, they screw in fine right here, but this one, if you notice, the bottom of the nut is a little different, so I don't think this is the right one for it. But obviously you can see, like you could on the car, that the PLM ones are taller. I just gotta get this is wrong. This is the wrong bolt for it, wrong nut for it. But I got the turbo clocked. I'm gonna have to triple check, but I got this side, and then over there I got the other side. I'm running back out here and see what happens. Like I said, I'm just mocking up today. not starting up no time soon. So just wanted to show you guys. Honestly, between the two of these, I probably could have waited until Black Friday and got some real nice ones. Or like I said on IG, just drove up to Full Race and got some. But now you can see why you should just do them from PLM. Do it from a nicer website. And it's just bolts at the end of the day. It's not breaking the bank unless you buy titanium ones, which will kind of defeat the whole point of the build. But let's head back outside. So I got the manifold. I got all the studs for the manifold on. I got the T4 stuff on too, the turbo studs. This one right here, it's tough. This bolt, getting this, yeah, that one right there. Kind of have to loosen all of them, pull it out, hook your fingers under here and get it to pull. And yeah, the sun's being tough, but yeah, that's gonna be a tough one to tighten, but got a lot of room left. So yeah, I'm getting there. I got these on. I don't know if they're supposed to go all the way down and bolt here, or they screw in here and bolt up top. I'll figure it out. Just making progress for now. Dolo video, but I ain't gonna complain. It is what it is. Yeah, I just wanted to keep doing updates. So I gotta get one with rivets for that top right corner, but I actually took the CHR center house rotating assembly apart. Wanted to show y'all some of the stuff I've read, that half turbo, like you see the blades. I need to get a table out here. The half blades, they're better for up top combined with the full size blades. If it was only full size, it would be really torquey down low. This is supposed to be a mid-range turbo, so that makes sense. Yeah, just trying to get this thing mounted so I can do my V-band, which is down there right now. Just want to do this so I can make sure everything is good before I take stuff out and start getting it coated and get the O2 sensor added to the wide O2 and wideband added to the downpipe. Just wanted to make sure everything fits. So everything goes good today. Next weekend, I'll go get the cold side stuff and we'll figure all of that out. Everything goes good from there. We'll take this stuff out, get the NA stuff on, get her back on the road so I can get this garage cleaned out. But thought it was pretty cool, worth showing you guys. Alright, yeah. Man, as you can see, I got a different outfit on. It is the next day. I actually got burned out trying to do it all by myself. I ain't gonna lie to you, but it's not that I don't have people who don't want to help me see the build through. I do appreciate y'all. I just gotta plan it a little bit better, but I mean, I got the better, longer studs in. I got kind of excited and I just got to work. But with that being said, I can confirm that the hot side is 100% fitment, because all I gotta do is get a downpipe or a dump tube and it'll shoot right there. I actually had the CX one, but I sold it when I was trying to sell the kit, just trying to piece out and get what I could for it. Clocking the turbo was tough. I dropped one of these little washers. The sun is killing me. But I dropped one of these washers and it didn't hit the floor, of course, so I gotta find that. But I do got the turbo mounted. I got all the bolts down pretty tight. So appreciate y'all staying in touch with the build, man. Next time I work on it, it'll be better planned, and you know, I'll have some help, man, so I can make some progress. But that being said, thanks for tuning in. appreciate you guys supporting the page the way you have. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. I know the bay is messy. I know the garage is messy, but ideally, we make sure everything fits. Put the NA stuff back on, drive it, clean the engine bay. Then we get it ready for boost, man. I'm excited. Apex Vision out.